Meaning of denotice.
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 Denotice. A denotice, short for defense notice, is an official request from the British government asking the media not to publish or broadcast certain information on grounds of national security. The notice means that the media is legally bound not to report the sensitive information specified. Violating a denotice could result in legal action against the media organization. Overall, the purpose of a denotice is to prevent the disclosure of sensitive information that may have serious implications for national security.